Hello there guys, and welcome back to Xauusd. This is a trade recap on gold Xauusd. In this video, I will teach you my strategy that got me funded in prop firm. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. I will show you step-by-step guide. I will not hide anything in this video. So make sure you pay attention. If you understand this video and apply it, you will be profitable. So let's go. So first thing I do on a daily basis is to open my chart, go to daily time frame. When I go to daily time frame, what will I be looking for? I will be looking for direction of the market on that day. Okay. So there are things that when I see it, I determine my direction. For example, this is daily candle. You can see this. This is daily candle. I hope you guys are seeing my screen now. This is a daily candle. Now, this red candle is also a daily candle. It signifies activities of the day. So on this particular day, this candle closed bearish. While the next day, the candle closed bullish, which means that the buyers have taken control. When I see bullish candle on a daily time frame, it means that the buyers has taken control. That means what I'm looking for from this day, I'm looking for buy opportunity. That's the only thing I'm looking for. Because tendency has it that once this green candle form, tendency has it that the next day it will close bullish. That means we're expecting that next day, the next candle that will form will do what? Will close bullish. That is the expectation on a daily candle. So I use my daily candle to frame my direction of the day. Now, after that, having said this, the next thing I will do is to move down to what? 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for the immediate trend on a 1 hour time frame. So what I'm looking for in this 1 hour time frame is to see what? A bullish engulf candle. You can see this previous 1 hour close bearish and the current 1 hour time candlestick close bullish. So when this thing happen, when I see this bullish engulf candle on a 1 hour time frame, okay, it is telling me that buyers has taken control. So the tendency also has it that the next candle will close bullish. The next candle that will form here will do what? Will close bullish. It might trade below like this. Okay. Now, once this thing happen, once I notice that the bullish candle has engulfed the previous bearish candle, I will now go down to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so in this 5 minutes time frame, what will happen is this. Now, before the five, if you look at the daily time, this were, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, what we notice is that this candle will open here, the next candle will open here, and will start coming down. The thing will start coming down, start coming down, start coming down, start coming down like this, start coming down. This will be red. Let me change it to red color so that, all right, this thing will start coming down. This candles, it will be forming like this, coming down like this on a 1 hour time frame. This is what we notice. Now if you come to 5 minutes time frame, if you come to 5 minutes time frame, you will notice that a bearish structure will be forming. 5 minutes time frame close bearish, 5 minutes time frame close bearish, 5 minutes time frame close bearish. This is what we notice on a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Now, as this thing is coming down, all I'll be waiting for is to notice a bullish engulf candle. Okay. At a particular zone. It could be fair value gap or it could be other block. When I notice this bullish engulf candle here, that means the buyers are ready to take over. So immediately this bullish engulf candle form, I will pick up a buy. I will do what? I will pick up a buy at this zone. Let me show you. I'll pick up a buy. I put my buy entry here, and stop loss will be below. I'll put up a buy here, and stop loss will be below this zone, and target will be the next high that the structure has created. Now what you notice that if you come to the 5 minutes time frame, green candle will printing. That is bullish candle will be printing. Next candle will close green. Next candle will close green like this. And probably next candle will close green. Thing will start moving up. Probably next candle will close green. Now when you go back to 1 hour time frame, when you go back to 1 hour time frame, you will notice one thing. One thing you notice is that this red candle that was forming bearish, this red candle that was forming bearish will suddenly start moving back like this. This red candle will be moving back. It will be moving back. It will be moving back, leaving wick behind. It will be moving back. It will be moving back. Before you know it, this red candle will turn to green candle. It will turn to what? Green candle. And probably it will may close like this. Let me change the color. It will close like this. This 1 hour candle will now close like this. Thereby, this 5 minutes candle will keep forming bullish candle and keep printing up. Keep printing up. So basically, this is how I take my trades. So having said this, we'll go to chart. Let me show the trade that I took yesterday. I took this trade yesterday. Okay. So let's go to chart. Let me show you. All right. This is exactly where I took this trade. So let's analyze. I've already identified my direction as a buy on a daily time frame. So all I was looking for on a 1 hour time frame is to see a bullish engulf candle. That's what I was waiting for. Okay, look at it here. Price started coming down from this zone, started forming bearish candle on a 1 hour time frame. And when price go to this zone, you will see a bullish engulf candle form here. This particular candle, this is a bullish engulf candle that formed. So when this bullish engulf candle formed, all I did was to go down to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minutes time frame. So let's go down to 5 minutes time frame and see what is happening there. Zone. This is that 1 hour. This entire move, let me show you, is that 1 hour bullish engulf candle that you guys saw. This entire move starting from here to this zone is that entire move we saw on a 1 hour time frame. The bullish engulf candle we saw on a 1 hour time frame. That was this zone. That was what happened here. Okay. So let me close this. Now, price started coming down. Price started coming down on a 5 minutes time frame. Starting from here, price started coming down, printing down candles. Okay. And when price go to this zone, you notice one thing: bullish engulf candle. You can see this candle here. This is bullish engulf candle. This candle now is a bullish engulf candle because it covers this black candle. This is bullish engulf candle. So what next do you need to do? Just put your buy position. So at this point was when I put this buy. That was this buy position you are seeing here. This was the buy. Okay. And stop loss was below. Exactly. I took two positions. One was at 4117 and the second one was at 4119. And my stop loss was at 411 41111 thereabout. 41111, just a very tight stop of 50 pips. The other one was 50 pips, the other one was 70 pips. Okay, so price started moving. So I have a series of take profit. Let me show you on a 1 hour time frame. So I have my take profit 1 and take profit 2 and take profit 3. Okay, so price moved. This was my entry. TP3 was my final take profit. Price moved to TP1. Price come to TP1, hit TP1. Then after hitting TP1, price after hitting TP1, I closed first position. I moved the remaining position on a break even. After hitting TP1, price started reversing, and come back to my break even and take me out on a break even. This will happen during London section. Okay. So during New York section, I keep monitoring this move because I know we are still going bullish. During New York session, another bullish engulf candle happens. You see it? This bullish engulf candle that happened here. Okay. After this bullish engulf candle happened, this black and this bearish candle was the one that take me out on a break even. After I must have hit TP1, and I was waiting for another bullish engulf candle happen, and you can see this too. Another bullish engulf candle happen here, and I open another two position when this bullish engulf candle happen. So let's go back to New York session on a 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you the entry here. All right. So on a if you when you look at it on a 1 hour time frame, this move, let me highlight it. This move starting from this zone to up here was that bullish engulf candle that we saw. This entire move was that bullish engulf candle. From this zone to this zone was that bullish engulf candle we saw on a 1 hour time frame. Then here on a 5 minutes time frame, the price starts retracing back from this zone. You can see it. There's no bullish engulf candle here. Not until when we come to this zone, this demand zone, price took out all the liquidity here, took out all this liquidity, and gave us bullish engulf candle. This you can see this candle now. This particular one is the bullish engulf candle. Immediately this candle close. Immediately this candle close. This black candle, the bearish candle started forming. As it's forming down at this zone, around 4127, I took up another entry. I took up another entry at that zone. So this was how the entry look. I pick up another entry at this zone. Stop loss below the zone. 22. My stop loss was at 22. 4122. That was my stop loss. Okay. And my take profit was 4163. That was my first take profit. 4163. 4163 was where I put my first take profit. Around this zone was where my first take profit closed. So I opened two positions, and first one hit take profit, and second one I close it manually. So this is how I take my entries on gold. Gold is one pair that when you understand it, you'll be making money. Study gold and understand it, guys. You'll be making money. I have stopped trading every other pair. I am only focusing on gold. And for the past, this is my second month, September, October, November. Okay, this is the third month. I'm focusing only on gold because if you understand the gold movement, you'll be happy. It gives you less time on the chart. So I also have some clips on my free Telegram channel where I dropped all these informations. Let me show you guys. All right. So this is my free Telegram channel. This is the free Telegram channel. And here are all those trades yesterday. This is my second trade yesterday. Let me open it. This was the second trade yesterday. You can see it. I took two trades. You can see it there. First one at 4129. And my stop loss was at 4122, about 70 pips stop loss. And second one was about 4134. And at this zone, price has moved to 4162. So this is basically how we do these things. Let's go. Okay. See the pictorial view here. When it can smash all the take profit. And here was when you can see when price was still moving at this zone. Price was still moving up gradually. Price was still moving up. You can see here. This was the first entry, the first one that I bought, 4117 and 4119. And this one at this one price was at 4129. You can see the when price was moving, and this is 1 hour time frame. I think this was when price was moving. This was the previous entries. So basically, this is how I take my trade. If I've not joined my free Telegram channel, kindly subscribe to my free Telegram channel so you'll be part of this community. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it to people so that it will get to more people, and also encourage me to do more videos like this. See you guys in my next episode. Thanks.